Hey, it may still be winter here in Pennsylvania, but I am so excited about my Yarbo mower that I'm opening it right now. I already used the snowblower and the snow plow, and the way those have worked, I'm just so excited to get this mower out and see what it's like and get my hands on the real product. So without further ado, let's get to it. Welcome back to Josh's Smart Home. I've been building out my smart home for about 10 years now. I want to share with you what I've learned along the way so you can make your home smarter. All right, let's get to it. We're going to open this thing up, couple of straps, and if this is anything like the other products, this thing will be well packaged. Besides Apple, I think Yarbo is the best package there is. So we'll get the tape off of this one, and now we'll get the box opened up and see what we have. Immediately, we have the user manual and a quick start guide. So lots of good documentation, just like the other modules. So let me set this aside. All right, put the manuals aside. And now let's see what else we have. We have a screwdriver right away and a nice little kit of spare cutting blades, bolts, and cutting disc bolts. So nice little package there. And a little Yarbo piece. I believe from what I saw online that this is actually a piece to prop up the Yarbo mower module when you're changing the blades out and such. So just a little piece of plastic, not too much here. And then this feels like just like a rubbery cover for the module. So let's set this aside and we'll take off the big protecting foam piece. And it is really big. And now I can see it, the holy grail of the mowing. Here it is, the mower. And you can see this thing is a bit of a beast. The package said it was 90-some pounds, so definitely all in this module because there's not really anything else in the box. Some of those bags of like the silicone stuff to keep it dry, and there's a couple things I pulled out earlier, but this is the main item. I closed up the box so I could sit on top and give you a better view of this. Definitely a hefty unit here, and you can see out front where you have the lights and camera, and everything else on top is pretty much covered. I'm guessing that the plasticky piece goes somewhere back in here, I guess this way, and covers this up when it's connected to the core module. So let me get this flipped over and I'll show you what the bottom looks like in the cutting blades. So you can see out front here we have just some metal pieces that I guess are supposed to line up the grass blades, so hopefully they're upright when it gets back to the cutting blades. We have some big caster wheels, some heavy duty wheels for sure, and then we have the cutting discs and the 5 blades on the discs. So pretty simple idea here, pretty simple unit. There's a couple of like protector pieces at the edges and such. Nothing though major to report here. So can't wait to get this installed on our Yarbo, get it mapped, and get it out to work so I don't have to mow.